Good morning, I'm Jason. This is my garage, and today we're going to be adding some serious horsepower to my Mazda Miata here by installing some stickers. So stay tuned, and I'm going to walk through, hopefully not screwing up my car. Alright, so these stickers I picked up, I've been waiting on these to come in for a few weeks. I wanted to add a little bit of something to the Mazda here, the Miata. It's that the machine gray, which I love that gray, but I wanted to add a little something to it to make it a little unique. And I've got a couple of ideas that we're going to play around with. One is these side stripes. So these go on the bottom of the door and curve up along the bottom edge of the door here, and they've got the MX-5 logo cut out in it, and they're a matte black, just like this. So they should be pretty subtle with the two stripes and the wider stripe in the middle there. So I'm going to get that installed on the bottom of both doors and see how that looks. And then the second project that we're going to play with is I've got some 8-inch wide matte black vinyl, and I want to try adding a couple of racing stripes right up the middle all along the car. So going to play around with that a little bit and see how it looks, and depending on how it turns out and how well I like it, that's going to determine whether you guys see this or not. So in the meantime, I'm going to jump in and get this applied. I went ahead and put the car up on jack stands. Dog's inspecting my work for me, so hopefully he doesn't screw anything up. But I threw it up on jack stands to make it a little easier to to see what I'm doing as I apply these decals. The car's been wiped down, dusted down, the garage has been blown out, make it as dust free as I can. So we'll see how this goes. So I know in my last video I left off with I had detailed the wheel wells and the engine bay of my Stinger here, and then we went off to visit some family for a weekend, or for the day, and we drove the Kia. And a major thunderstorm blew in, and some lawn chairs got blown down the driveway and hit the side of my car. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a really good dent, and I don't know if it's showing up on the camera right now, but there's also a nice scratch going right up here on that door. So as soon as that happened, that kind of halted my plans to do the paint correction I was planning to do on the hood here. So I'm in touch with a paintless dent repair guy who's going to pull that little ding out for me. And once that's done, I'm hoping to get that done here this week. So once that's done, then I can continue on with, I got to rewash the Kia after we drove it for a week, and then I can do the paint correction on the hood and hit that scratch on the door and get that pulled out as well. So that's why we haven't seen any movement on this in the last couple of weeks. I've been waiting to get my door ding repaired. Okay, so to get started on this, I've got my my stickers laid out. Obviously this one goes on the driver's side door along the bottom like that, and the other one goes on the passenger side. So I've got stickers laid out. I've got a bottle of soapy water, so just a few drops of Dawn dish soap and some water in a spray bottle, and use that to soak the car down and get things positioned into place. And I'll use my squeegee here to set them, and I've got some microfiber towels ready to dry things off, and we'll see how it looks. So got that pretty close. I don't really like that that's wrapping down, but I don't know that there's a lot I can do about it either, because I'm going to get that. have to let this sit a little while before I can peel this off. Oh, maybe not. Yeah. So I think that just needs a little bit more time to bond. Crappy, what are you doing? What are you doing, jerk? You need love? Do you need some loving? Is that why you're here? Where's your buddy? I hear your buddy outside barking. Why don't you go see your buddy? Go see your buddy. Alright, so let's see how this pulls off now. There we go. So I think I like that. Nice subtle flat black stripe, matte black stripe. Man, I tell you, working from home is just throwing me off my game here. So it's a few days later, and I've got the side stripes done, but I don't have the hood stripes done. This video, when I started this, I intended to record all of it, you know, installing the side stripes and the stripes on the hood. And long story short is it's not done yet. I've got the side stripes done, and I think they turned out pretty well. I'm really kind of digging it. So I like that. So I still have to finish up the hood stripes, and like I said, it's been several days, and between working from home and getting ready for a trip that the wife and I are taking, I just don't have it done yet. So in the interest of just getting this posted, because it's been such a long time since I've posted anything on this project, I'm just going to stop this video here, and I'll pick it back up here in another week or two when I get the hood stripes done. I can give you a sneak peek. So I've got the hood done and a little bit up on the roof, and I still need to finish the trunk. So it's getting there. It's not far off, and I think it'll look pretty good. I'm kind of excited about it. So if you've made it this far, like usual, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell for me. That would really help me out. And until the next one, talk to you later.